Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can unlock your Netflix account. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, I want to show you that how the locked profile looks like. As you can see, here is my profile and there is a lock. So if I tap on that one, I need a pin here to unlock my profile. So how are you going to remove that pin from your profile? Let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to your browser and then type in Netflix. You will come to the website of the Netflix. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then you need to tap on account. So once you tap on account, you need to tap on edit and settings. So once you tap on edit and settings, it will bring you to this page, and here you need to tap on profile lock, and as you can see it is on, so we need to remove it. Here you need to enter your password of your account, your current password, then continue. As you can see, this is the pin that I created. So if I want to remove the lock from my profile, I will just need to remove it. Once you're done, you need to tap save. So the profile lock has been saved, or it is removed now. I will go back to the Netflix application, and here as you can see now I don't need any pin to unlock. So guys, this is all it takes to unlock your Netflix account. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.